Vlogmas Day 13. Let's see what we get up to today.
Round. Round. Well done. Okay. Right, can we do it on here? So this one is for Luke. So we just need to do here from B. You ready? Down. Round. And round.
Should we give her a pen that she can see?
Yeah, should we try an actual pen now?
Yeah, she likes pens.
I'll try it with the pen then. Here we go. You ready? Down, round, round.
Oh, yes!
There we go. From B.
That's my favorite.
This one's to Rafi. So this is Rafi.
Rafi, who likes to go on the roundabout with you.
Rob and Shireen Rafi.
Yeah.
So down, round, and around.
Yeah.
Okay, she's actually doing that. I'm doing very good. This is to Spiros from B.
I like your flicks.
Round and round. Very
Yeah,
good.
very good.
And this one's to Rafi. This is other Rafi, so Henry Rafi. Down, down, head and round. Nearly, round. And round again.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, B, you're working on your signature already. Well done, sweetheart.
What day is it? Mummy will tell you.
What day is it? What does that say? 1 and 3, so that's 13. Yeah, where's number 13 on here? Do you want to look at the numbers and see if you can spot them? It's not hiding inside it. Look at the numbers. 1, 3, 13. So look, this is 1 and 2. So what's the next one along? What's this one? What's this one? Oh, 13. Oh. Do you want me to open it and read it?
Me.
Okay.
You're listening to Mummy?
This. Oh my, oh me, it's day number 13. Some of your friends have found a new spot for tea. They're drinking and laughing, and there's a big party happening on one of the shelves of your library.
In your library,
Your
B?
library? B, where are your books? Where are B's books? Yeah, where are B's books?
What's that?
What's that?
Are they tables?
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Tables, that's right.
Oh, wow.
Should we move the advent calendar and you can play with your tables in your playhouse?
Yeah. Should we put it up on the stool?
Look at those. Can you show Daddy your tables, B? Oh, wow.
I love the way she always wants to take them round.
Well
the house for a
done,
bit.
balancing them up as well.
Oh, that's so good.
Aren't they lovely? Oh,
darling.
aren't they nice?
They're gorgeous.
Are you bringing over the penguins and the squirrels so they can sit at the table?
Table.
Table, that's right.
Oh.
1. And what about the other penguins? Are you bringing the other penguins over as well? Oh, those big penguins. What about the little penguins on the shelf? Whoopsie.
Good.
What about the little penguins by the Booksby? There they are. Big penguins. Okay. So that's day number 13. Yay! Okay, it's lunchtime.
Should we go through what you've got for lunch?
What have we got for lunch, Bea?
Bread.
Well, we got bread.
You've got cheese and...
Yay! It's frightfully nice of you, Al, but I'm going to have with a gruffalo. A gruffalo? What's a gruffalo? Why? Don't you?
No.
Very good.
No.
That's right. He has knobbly and turned out and a poisonous at the of his
She's doing the orange eyes bit now.
Where are you meeting him? Here by this and his favourite food is owl ice cream. Owl ice cream. To-wit to-woo. Goodbye, little. And away Owl. Silly old. Doesn't he? There's no such as a... On went the mouse through the...
Alright everyone, that's the end of day 13. We have His Dark Materials to watch, which we love on BBC iPlayer, and we didn't watch last week, so we got 2 to watch. Got tea, got some Vlogmas editing to do, and then it's bedtime because I am just exhausted, and yeah, this has been a long weekend, but a lovely one, really lovely. Alright, see you in a bit. Well, see you tomorrow. Lots of love, bye!